beard cleanse and steam shave. A lot of benefits to this service right here. Now this steam is getting into his pores and softening the skin, the beard hairs, and then also cleansing the skin as well. And you want to get you some good shampoo, some beard shampoo, and rub it in. And then you're going to steam the top of the head as well that you're getting ready to shave. And then we'll get ready to put some shaving cream on top, lather it up real good. And once you're done with that, you want to keep this wet, not super wet, but just kind of like moist. So you can take your hot towel, put it around the beard, and clean it up. And then after that, you want to take your steamer and just moisten the head just a little bit to get it ready for shave. And when you're doing a shave with a straight razor, you gotta be extremely careful. You gotta stretch the skin. You don't want to cut your client. You can really damage your client's skin. So you just stretch it with smooth strokes, real nice and easy. And once you're done with the entire, getting all the leather out of the way, you want to just make sure you get anything you missed, especially like around the ears and then behind the head. But this steam shave it helps loosen dirt, softens blackheads if you have some, and it's good for hydration and circulation. Opens the pores and also helps with bacteria growth for your head and face. So now that the follicles are, everything is real soft on the beard, we can shape it up, get ready to line it up. Make sure we fade it into the client's bald head and then do the line up. Everything is clean, it's easy to cut, and it makes for a great beard shape up. If a client has clean skin and clean head, it makes the cut a whole lot better. So now guys, I'm just going up under the neck, making everything real straight, as straight as possible. And then we'll go on everything with the razor, go over it, so we can get that high definition look. And then last, you want to put some type of moisturizer on your oil. That's very good for the skin, and it'll shine as well.